Okay, how to zoom picture in Gimp. Very fast tutorial. Subscribe, like this video if you found it helpful. So what you have to do here, we're gonna have to zoom in. So we're gonna have to hold Command or Control, and if you hold Command, you can use the middle wheel on your mouse and zoom in exactly where you want. You can then press, and then maybe we can draw here now or add any color, because we can simply select a color from here. So if you hold Command as well, but if you don't, we use your wheel, you can then select a color where use the pickup tool is just a shortcut. You can pick up a color, and then also is worth learning the shortcut. So P, it's pencil, from pencil, and it's quite not that smooth, or it is smooth actually. And if you want to zoom out, just hold Command or Control and then use the middle wheel on your mouse. That's what you have to do. Also, maybe you can also zoom from here if you want to. You can click on here, select the zoom amount or how far you want to go, zoom out. You can also go here to view, and then here you have zoom, and then here you have zoom out, revert, zoom, fit, image and window, which this is what's going to do. Very helpful. It is also helpful to learn a shortcut, so you don't have to go here. So the shortcut is Shift Command J or Shift Control J. All right, and then here you also have here other settings: fill, window, zoom to selection. Also have some, this you also have here to zoom with that amount or fit to image. Very helpful. So I hope you found this short tutorial helpful. You learned something. That's my objective with this video. Subscribe if you learned something. Suggest new tutorials if you have any suggestions about this software, Gimp, and thanks for watching and take care.